language management on the Luo Online. I'm going to take you through this in this video. I have received complaints for some people in the comment that the Luo Online is not using Acholi language. There are some who also complain that we're not using Lao language or in a Luo language. Well, I would like to tell you that the priority of the Luo Online goes to inclusiveness. And the preferred language here is not even Kiswahili, but it is English language. The reason is most of the Luo people are located in areas where English is spoken. Another reason is the Luo in diaspora have given birth to those outcasts, those Luo children, daughters and sons, who cannot speak even a single Luo word. In fact, they barely speak a Luo language. And I also receive comments from them that sometimes when I make videos in Luo language, they say, please translate to us in a different language, which we have started. Videos which are must, that we feel that they must be put here, but they're in Acholi language, we will make sure that it is translated. I will make sure that it is translated into English. There will be that part of the Acholi, and there is a part of the English part, so that everybody understands. Now, another reason is Luo is not just having one tribe. Luo is an ethnic group. We have the Lao, the Acholi, the Alur, the Jopadhola, the Shilluk, the Jum, the Joluo of Kenya, the Pari, the Turi, the Cholo, the Anywa of Ethiopia, the several, even the assimilated ones like Kumam and Acholi Jobu, they are all Luo. Our dialect is not the same. We can pick some similar words, but we cannot perfectly pick all the setup of the same language. This is why, under my language management of the Luo Online, I make sure that the greater portion of the videos are in English. And I think we should bear with that. Of course, you cannot translate a Buola dance or a Rakataka dance or a Cholo dance into English. It's impossible. But when a politician is speaking, or a Luo elder is speaking, or a child is speaking in Acholi, we can have the other narration translated. Translation using closed caption takes a lot of time, and if it is a news video or a media video, it may be delayed. So we prefer to use voiceovers or direct translations while recording. I hope we all understand the stand of the Luo Online on the issue of language. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video if you are already subscribed. Bye bye.